Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a quantity discount to your items on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, I searched on the internet for a solution for this, and I found very outdated data. Some say to go into the catalog section, some go into the collection section, and that you have a quantity discount option there. However, I haven't found it for me. Now, what you can do is you can use an app, and we're going to use live product options, or LPO for short. Just search for that in the Shopify App Store, and we're going to install it really quickly. This is the one that I'm talking about, and you just need to click install. That'll open up your dashboard again, and we're going to wait a couple of seconds until this app actually installs after we confirm the install procedure. And once that's done, we will be able to access that app just like this, and we'll see the live products, and we'll be able to, well, change the segments of them. Now, as you can see, it does require a premium plan, where I don't have one and I am not able to subscribe to a plan. So you do need to have a premium plan to use this app. However, this is the only way in which I've found where you can add actual quantity discounts for your items. So I would suggest you pay for this if that is what you want to achieve. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.